In this video, I will show you how to install the virtual image we downloaded in VMware Workstation. The process is very similar in VirtualBox or VM Player. So let's get started. So click a new virtual machine and click typical, click next, and pick the image which we downloaded in the last video tutorial. And then click next. You can pick Debian 7 or Debian 8, both should work. And I'm naming the virtual machine as WAED. You can name it whatever you want and pick a location on your hard drive. So once you do that, you can click next and then pick a hard drive size. 5 to 10 gigs should be good enough, but I chose 20. And then I am increasing the memory to 4 gigs. Say OK, and then power on the virtual machine. So pick the install option, which is the third option right there. And pretty much you follow the prompts. Pick United States, English. So pick a host name, WAED, and domain name can be blank, and pick a root password. And then enter a new user, and this can be any user of your choice, and also select a password for that user. I'm in Central Time Zone. And use guided and say all files in one partition, and then you can finish the installation. So pick no for the network mirror. And then you can install the grub bootloader and pick this dev STA to install the grub. So at this point the installation should be complete, and it will do some cleanup activities. So finally it's done, and it's going to reboot the system. When you go to the login prompt, make sure to log in as root user. So I'm typing root and the password you chose during the installation. And then use default config. And finally, the distribution should be up and ready for you to play with. So if you launch the browser, you will see all the different applications that are installed. Though you see all the apps, you need to start each app before you can test it. In the next video tutorial, I will show you how to start and stop the applications. Thanks again for your time.